With a sign of your apostolic authority, your collegial ties with all ministers, and your promise to uphold the sacred calling of the office of ministry. Remember that Jesus said, "Let the greatest among you become as the youngest, and the leader as one who serves." So the certificate will be given to Pastor Dante Ranho, Pastor Danilo Saldoma, Pastor Nora Mangona, Pastor Joan Galo, Pastor Marie Esther Makiki, and not the least, Pastor
this is ordination.
Nadir Tuli.